you refine, you do it again, right? It takes a while to get it right and to get the flow and to feel like you're actually integrating the character like inside. So you can think like that character, walk like that character, know what's coming next, right? In the last couple of minutes, if there is anything, I know you already have some of your papers, but if there's anything you want to make a note of on your paper that took place that you want to remember for next time, you can go ahead and write that down. Otherwise, you have like a minute left if you have any questions. Anything else you want to share?
So, you sentenced Amanda to life. How that seems kind of hefty.
Well, in our state, we take that very seriously.
Yeah.
So we penalize him for full.
How many times do you think she diddled him? I don't know.
I mean, she did say in the past 2 years, so
That's
God
true.
knows how many times.
A lot of time.
Poor boy.